Leading the Dow was Walgreens, while Visa was the biggest decliner. Arconic was the big winner on the S&P, and Biomed was the laggard in the S&P 500. Mike, what do you make of all the twists and turns today for stocks?
A lot going on. Obviously, as Bob mentioned, we don't have the bond market to use as a beacon for really what sectors should do and how the market should think about this yield story. So I do think, I often say the stock market is kind of the feckless kid brother of the bond market, doesn't really know how to act undersupervised. But that being said, the market was already kind of oversold. The S&P refused to stay down below these old January highs. So there's been this kind of cushiony floor underneath the market so far at about a down 3% or 2.5% from the highs. So I wouldn't draw tremendous conclusions from the reversal, except to say the market was already had some wear and tear on it coming into today.
The reversal happened once international markets were closed. Does that have an impact? Is that a factor?
It actually could. And I don't know if that really dictated the sector performance, but the fact that you were maybe relieved of that pressure from overseas, where, of course, you do still have signs of stress in China, in Italy, and all the rest of it. So interested to see how it opens tomorrow. Also, the VIX closed way off its highs, which is another, you could take it as a bullish element as well.
Well, one factor that was consistent all day, Michael Yoshikami, even with the turnaround and the bounce back for the Dow and the S&P, was tech was super weak and a drag. And you saw that in the action in the NASDAQ. Has the tide turned for technology?
No, I don't think so. I think probably you're just getting a lot of negative news around the tariff story, as well as supposedly what's happening with Google in terms of some of the privacy issues. So I still think tech is fine, but tech is going to be impacted by what's happening with China. I want to comment, if I could, for just a second on the reversal, Sarah. I wonder if some of the reversal has to do with at least the United States and China are publicly talking. They might be saying harsh things to each other out loud, but at least there's some sort of dialogue, and I think perhaps that might be a positive from a market perspective.